Rain Disick made quite a splash in a sweet, new photo that his dad, Scott Disick, posted of him in the pool. Cannonball. Scott Disick's, 38, son, Rain, had plenty of fun in the sun on Tuesday, July 27. Scott posted an adorable photo of his 6-year-old son to Instagram, as the little boy cooled off in the pool. It looked like Rain had just hopped in the pool, and the water was about up to his chest, and his hair was soaking wet. It may have been the first thing the youngster did in the morning, because Scott captioned the post, "Good morning America." The photo was certainly a sweet shot for the father to share. Rain is the youngest of 3 children that Scott had with his ex, Kourtney Kardashian, 42. They also have a daughter Penelope, 9, and an older son, Mason, 11. It looks like the Disick children have enjoyed a few days cooling off in the pool. Scott posted another cute picture of Penelope to Instagram on Sunday, July 25. She ate ice cream while she stood in the pool, in the sweet photo. It's no surprise that Rain enjoyed a dip in the pool. The Kardashians' son has taken up quite a few aquatic activities this summer. His mom showed off a photo of him, ready to catch some waves, as the little guy posed on a surfboard back in May. Rain looked ready to shred out on the ocean, as he struck a cool surfer dude pose in the photo his mom shared on Instagram. Kourtney's boyfriend Travis Barker, 45, helped Rain kick off the summer properly, when he had a ton of fun playing with the boy on the water slide for Memorial Day weekend. Related gallery. Kourtney Kardashian and Rain Disick, pics. Even when they're not swimming around, it looks like Scott still has tons of fun with his son. He posted photos of Rain and his older sister on July 12, while the family were flying on a luxury jet. Scott adorably labeled both the children Mini-Me in the Instagram stories. Back in February, Scott showed that Rain had gotten a cool mohawk, when he posted photos of the boy posing with his puppy. Although he doesn't have his signature locks anymore, it does seem like his hair has grown out quite a bit in the swimming picture.